Go explore. There's food and shelter to be found, but beware of predators. Oh. So it's like I'm 7 years old again. Great. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't know what you are, but you're ill, goopy. Ah! Holy crap. This looks a lot like Ori. I can't believe this is by Adult Swim Games. Then again, they did, what were some of the other games that they made? Duck Game, Mega Coin Squad. I'll list a whole bunch of them here in just a sec. This looks really cool. I'm digging this art style. I love games like this. Very artistic. Oh no. It's just like Ori, I get separated from my parents. Uh-oh. Okay. Pause. Shift to eat. What? That's for map. Oh, I moved it with arrows? Shit. Okay. X to throw. Shift to pick up. Shit, this is gonna suck. Okay, so it's...
And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Alright, little slug. I think he's called like Slug Cat. You're hungry. Find food. Okay. What are you? What are you, little goopy weird thing? Yeah, let's see. Is there no sound to this game? Let's see. Can I eat you? What was it? Shift?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, this is kind of weird. Okay. Come on, little slow cat. I see the look now. Jump up there and grab them. They're delicious. Okay, so
What kind of place is this?
yep. Okay, so oh, okay. This is gonna take me a while to get used to these gay-ass controls. Z... Z... Z up. Z up. Z and up. Friends, man. I always think it's freaking spacebar. There we go. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get that last one though. Go explore. There is food and shelter to be found, but beware of predators. Oh. So it's like I'm 7 years old again. Great. Oh, finally the music kicks in. It's creepy as hell, though. Oh, wow. Dude, there's a lot. Holy crap. Looks insane. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know what you are, but you're ill, goopy. Oh! Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. What? That was kind of freaky. Oh, damn it. Okay, shit. I didn't die there, did I? Can I eat you? Can I eat these bastards? Or not? What if I go back? You're still there. Oh shit, go, 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 go. Watch out for predators. Shit! I'm not doing good. Over here. I'm gonna have to switch it over to WASD for the next episode. Oh. Ew, 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 ew. Wait. Z. Jump. Suncat. Jump. Okay. Oh wow, there's a lot of places. Wait. No, 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 no. Climb, 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 climb. Faster. Slug cat. Eh! Give me some lunchy. Here is strange energy. What? This? Turn on this. X. Shift. Can I eat this? Do I eat this? I do. I don't know what that did, but it did something. Okay. Now, what's over here? Oh. A lot of bad things. Could be some good things too. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Go, little slug cat. Go. No. You can't get me weird, goopy, ew, 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 ew. Oh, shish kebab. Oh shit. 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 Run. Go. Go. Haha, you can't climb up here, dickhead. Ooh, what a maroon. Eh! Damn it! I'm gonna have to change it over to WASD, man. Oh, I got something. Can I eat that? I can. Oh, nipple plunger. Okay. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I think that's rain. Is that rain? Yeah, it's rain. It's rain. Oh, shish kebab. Okay.
Nice ball.
I think if I stay under here, I can survive. Oh. Oh. I died.